Kaylee.
Am I in the background?
Yes, thank God you are. Hey guys, what's up? It's Remy. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. Today is a video that I have been planning for so long. It's taken me forever to get everything finally together, but today it begins. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be tie-dyeing 100 sweatshirts in 24 hours. But the twist is that I'm actually going to be selling all of these, and all the proceeds from these sweatshirts are going to go to organizations that support the Black Lives Matter movement. I'm so excited to be using my platform to share and spread awareness and also just donate to these amazing organizations. And also you guys can get a sweatshirt and some other fun little goodies if you guys would like. Also a big shout out to my friends over at Tarte Beauty Blender and the Creme Shop for donating products to put into little goodie bags for you guys if you purchase sweatshirts. Should I introduce Kaylee being here? I probably should, right? Why are you wearing sunglasses inside? She's a star, baby. Wait for me to call you in. Also, of course, tie-dyeing 100 sweatshirts is a lot of work, so I recruited some help.
Thank you!
My best friend Kaylee is here. She's actually way more crafty than I am, so she's gonna be a lot of help today, and let's get started. So obviously we have our white sweatshirts here. We have 100 of them in a big pile on the ground. To tie-dye, in case you're tie-dyeing something at home, we have a bunch of different dyes. These are from RIT, but feel free to use whatever dyes you want. Also, if you're just tie-dyeing at home, you're only making a couple sweatshirts, not 100, you could buy this kit. It's way cheaper and also has everything you need in it, from dye to bottles to rubber bands. So we got all the liquid dye here. We also have these squeezy bottles, which makes it really easy. You can also use like empty ketchup containers if you want. I have these little baking pans because per the last tie-dye video, I learned that these actually help saturate the clothes a lot better. You end up with better looking tie-dye at the end. So we got these as well as plastic wrap for the ground. Is that what it's called? A plastic tarp? She's doing great, everyone. We've got plastic for the ground to cover, as well as rubber bands and rubber gloves.
A tarp.
Let's do it. There we go. Let go of these. You get your own. Oh my God, they're so heavy. What the heck? Oh God.
Oh my God.
How bad would it be if we just dunked them in the pool? Cal? No, I definitely have a hose. Cal!
You look stressed.
I'm not, I'm having fun. Cal! Cal said we couldn't move the hose, but we're handy women.
We don't need no man.
And we can.
Oh, it's leaking. It's leaking everywhere.
Handy dandy woman.
Okay, these are the last ones. Are you good, Kay? God, we haven't even begun and this has been a train wreck. We're just trying to support. Ah! Okay, so our plan is to wet the sweatshirts over the pool so we don't waste water. I need to fill up the pool anyways because it's been so hot. Some of it has been evaporating.
Who's gonna do what?
Well, I did my hair today, so
I'll be the one getting wet.
I promise not spray you intentionally.
Did she wink?
No.
Whoa! Look it with your hand! How did I shoot it?
I am.
No!
Oh.
I guess this works.
Yeah. Here, let's just do like one at a time.
I mean, this works, right?
Oh, they're getting
Not
heavy.
at all what our plan
They're
was.
getting heavy.
Like, wow! I have multiple college degrees. It shouldn't be this hard.
It doesn't need to be like soaking wet, but it just absorbs more water when you do, you know? They're just repelling the water, so you really have to like soak it to absorb. Like, look at it. It just deflects the water.
It bounces right off.
How's this method working out for you?
So far, so good.
Oh no!
Now that the sweatshirts are wet, we are going to rubber band them. So we are going to do the crinkle method where you take your wet piece of clothing and you lay it down, and then you crinkle from one side. You just like roll it all up and meet it in the middle. Then you roll all this part, and the best part is you don't have to be clean with it. You can just do however you feel into a big ball like this, and then we take our rubber bands and you just start banding it anywhere, like all over.
This might just be a test round. I think I'm doing okay.
You're practicing. Good to go. Oh no. Alright guys, we are almost done rubber banding all of the sweatshirts. We are tired, but we are excited to move on. I'm now going to prep all of the dye. This is like concentrated dye, so I'm gonna dilute it with some water in the squeezy bottles. Then we're gonna start the fun part. We mix the dye. Now we're gonna put on our gloves and we're just gonna go pour it all over the sweatshirts. So we finished all of the rubber bands and now we have our dye and we're gonna squeeze it onto the sweatshirts and that's it.
Let's do it.
Good job!
Thank you.
That was so good!
Thank you.
First dye. Dun 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 dun!
She's beautiful.
She's gorgeous! So you wanna like saturate it, and then the good thing about these little pans is that they just keep all the dye in there, like that.
Oh,
does that look good?
Gosh,
Oh wow!
I love it.
Mixing it up. Oh, that looks sick.
It's mostly because I accidentally dropped some blue on it.
It looks like a cotton candy dream.
That looks cool.
Love that.
Kaylee, you've been at it since the beginning. Give us an update.
I'm tired, but it's worth it. So we're gonna keep trucking on.
We're on the last one. Cal's gonna do it. Give me a smile. Oh my god, guys, we finished doing all 100 sweatshirts. Kay is now doing her own dye for herself. They look so good. Now we let them sit for 24 hours and then I will wash them tomorrow. Mission accomplished. Good job, guys. Woo! Woohoo! Yeah. Hi guys, okay, it's the next day and the sweatshirts have been sitting for 24 hours and now it is time to cut them all open and then wash them all. To save water, I'm going to wash all the light colors with light colors, like L-I-K-E, like colors, and hopefully we'll have this done by the end of today. Kay's cutting the first one.
Yay.
Oh, she's cute.
So good.
Oh, thank God, I was a little nervous. All right, 99 more. There we go, sis.
These look so good.
Look it!
I am so proud
So
of us.
good.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
You just get hit in the face.
Yeah, it's totally good. Totally good. Oh my God.
I am so impressed.
Here I go, my first snip. Ooh. All right, we opened every single one, separated them by color, and then now we're going to rinse them out in the washing machine by like color and then dry them. Hello, guys. We are back. All of the sweatshirts are done. I am in love with how they all turned out. We've got blue, we've got pink, we've got my favorite, cotton candy. Come look at this. Ooh la la, they're gorgeous. We've got purple, which I don't know how that happened because I don't know if we had a purple dye. Was there a purple dye?
I don't remember.
I don't either, I blacked out. But there's purple, there's black, there's gray, there's more blue, we got yellow, we got green. And a huge thank you to my friends over at Beauty Blender and Tarte and the Creme Shop because they sent me so many products to give to you guys to say thank you for supporting. Cal and I packaged up these cute little gift bags for you guys. You get a full-size Lights, Camera, Lashes mascara. My hair is on that. You also get a piece of my DNA, a Beauty Blender, and the Creme Shop sent over so many of their cute little animal face masks. So I can't wait to get to packaging all of these up for you guys. So I think that about wraps up this video. Big thank you to Cal and Kaylee also for helping me because this was a lot more work than I anticipated. And Eli, thank you so much. I gotta look behind the camera. If you guys want to purchase a sweatshirt, again, you're gonna get a sweatshirt as well as all these amazing goodies from these amazing brands. I will link the Poshmark down below. You guys can purchase through there. It's just kind of the easiest and safest way for me to get these out to you guys. Again, all the proceeds are going to be donated to the Black Lives Matter movement. I will be donating all of the proceeds to the NAACP. So yes, thank you guys so much. I cannot wait to get these out to you. I hope you love them. If you take any pictures in them, tag me. I'd love to share them. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you in the next one. Bye.